This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to use Wufoo forms to collect webinar registrations. Whether you're organizing a small online gathering or a large-scale virtual event, collecting registrations efficiently is crucial. Wufoo Forms offers a user-friendly solution to streamline this process, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting it all up step by step. First, let's start by heading over to wufoo.com. This is where the magic begins. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to set one up first. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where all the action happens. Next, look for the Forms option on the dashboard and click on it. This will take you to a page where all your forms are stored. Since we're creating a new form, you'll want to click on the Create Form button. This is your gateway to building a customized registration form for your webinar. Now, here's a handy feature of Wufoo: use a template. Instead of starting from scratch, you can click on this option to access a range of pre-designed forms that you can modify to fit your needs. Templates are a real time saver and are perfect if you're looking for something that's ready to go with just a few tweaks. In the search bar, type registration form and press enter. Wufoo will display a variety of templates related to registrations. Browse through the options, and when you find one that suits your webinar, click on Use Template. This action will bring the selected template into your workspace where you can start customizing it. Customization is where you can really make the form your own. You might want to add fields specific to your webinar, such as the attendee's name, email address, and any particular questions you might want them to answer before the event. You can rearrange fields, add new ones, or even delete some if they aren't relevant. Spend some time here to ensure that the form aligns perfectly with the information you need to collect. Once you're satisfied with your customized form, it's time to save and share it. Look for the Save and Share button and give it a click. Saving ensures that all your hard work is not lost, while sharing will provide you with a link that you can distribute to potential attendees. You can share this link via email, social media, or embed it directly on your website, making it easy for people to register for your webinar. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a Wufoo form to collect registrations for your webinar. This process not only saves you time, but also ensures that you have all the necessary information in one place, ready for when the big day arrives. Remember, the key to a successful webinar is in the details, so make sure your form captures all the information you need. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Wufoo's support resources are a great place to find additional help. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.